Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So during our trip to Kumasi, we decided to fly around and view the area of Adiebaba and Ahodwo from the skies. And I must tell you, this is one thing we never regretted doing, because viewing this area from the sky gives you a whole different perspective to the area. So join us as we explore. So we are currently flying over Adiebaba. That's the name of this area. So there is a water body that flows through the bush that you see right here. And from the information we gathered, that separates Ahodwo from Adiebaba. And the building right ahead of us is the Pentecost Church. That's what you just bypassed, the Pentecost Church. And there are a lot of churches around the side. The blue building just ahead of us is the Presbyterian Church. Yes, that's the building right in front of us. That's the Presbyterian Church. And just at the junction is the Apostolic Church. And you can see the Ahodwo Malcolm, as well as other huge buildings which had Chinese writings. So I don't really know what they say. And there's one area where I noticed there are a lot of Chinese people living with their shops and other businesses. So there's a huge concentration of Chinese people living in this area. So being at the other side of the stream means we are currently flying over Ahodwo with Adababa on our left side across the stream. So at this point, I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you know anything about this area we have to know, you can leave it in the comment section.